What if one of the world's most remarkable systems for understanding language was created more than 1000 years ago? Long before computers, algorithms, or artificial intelligence, an Indian scholar transformed language into precise system of rules. This is story of Panini and the mathematics hidden within language. Around the 5th century BCE, the great scholar Panini composed the Astyadhyayi, a masterpiece of Sanskrit grammar. Instead of simply listing words, he explained how they are formed. But where is the mathematics? Mathematics is not only about numbers, it is about patterns, structures, and logic. Panini's grammar applies one rule after another, creating a precise system for generating language. Years later, computer scientists began searching for ways to help machines understand human language. They discovered that language becomes easier to process when it follows clear and structured rules. More than 2000 years ago, Panini transformed language into a system of remarkable precision. His work reminds us that great ideas never truly fade. They continue to inspire, connecting the wisdom of the past with the innovations of the future. Thank you.